Hello, my name is Azimi. In this video, we wanna learn how to get a great Gcode for this model. As you see, the section of this model are rectangular or look like rectangular. As you know, if we use projection curve finishing strategy and create a pattern for this model, at first tool axis is not perpendicular on model surface and has angle, so many of pockets like this area and this area would not be machined. In fact, with projection curve finishing strategy, tool cannot see the pocket beside walls. So for models with rectangular sections or models that have some holes like this, the best strategy is projection surface finishing, that you easily and correctly can control tool axis to move perpendicular on model surface. Of course, for many reasonable reasons, wood should rotate in one direction only. Depend on your CNC machine, clockwise or anti-clockwise.